Welcome to Money Pit Boating. We're bringing the work barge with us because we've heard from a couple different people that there's a log jam. So we got to bring our specialized work boat out there and clear the way, because this weekend Mount Clemens is having their annual 4th of July fireworks show, and we want to make sure that all them people can make it down there.
But before we get to work, we gotta mow down some burgers from the Wreck Bowl. Mount Clemens' best sliders ever. We ate way too many sliders, says my belly.
18 sliders.
18?
A pound and a half of potato.
Time to blow this pop stand and get to work.
Aaron.
Oh yeah, there's a bird. What do we got today?
Hot Takis.
What is it?
Hot Takis.
That's not
Lego.
real. What is it?
You haven't heard of Takis? Them things are super popular.
Takis? I know tacos. Takis, people.
We're gonna tie off real quick because this is the log jam that we gotta do our work on.
Perfect.
Here's the main culprit. Every time it rains, something gathers up on here. I've already had to clear it out earlier in the summer to help another boater get through. So we do want to make things better for everyone, so it's never an issue.
Pop the chain.
Dang it.
I just assumed that you're fixing it.
I think that should do it.
Coots in his safety. He set me up the last time he fixed my chainsaw.
We'll see about that.
So the chainsaw that wasn't designed to work underwater doesn't really work too well underwater. New plan.
New plan?
I was waiting for you to come up with
Oh, that was a request? I thought it was a statement.
No. Of course I don't have the plan. A lot of what we do is just moving stuff around. Kind of like reverse engineering a jigsaw puzzle. Like that one's touching that, that's causing that, and that's doing that. So it's kind of tricky, but it's kind of fun. The goal is to get this guy out and this guy, because they are what hang everything up. So we think that that little piece right there is holding this guy down, that whole beam. Can you pull it off? Oh yeah, there we go.
Well, that kind of destroys my hinge theory.
Yep. See if we can yank him all the way over, put him over on the shore over there for a turtle or something. Dude, that grappling hook is so much better than this other one.
Yeah.
Because it's like sharp beyond belief.
This end starts to sink now.
Okay, that's kind of good, I guess, right? Maybe see if we can pry this one out, the big boy that's slowly working its way under our boat.
About the same amount of loose as before.
Yeah. Okay.
Something just shifted.
First underwater chainsaw. Our best underwater chainsaw. That's our best or our first?
First time said first, second time said best.
What about the third? Good news is this thing works underwater because there's no electricity actually going there, because the motor just spins a little thingy which spins that thing. Bad news, it's very finicky and it takes a lot longer than normal.
The river's so murky, you can't tell where to put the saw blade back.
Also, the blade's probably dead on there. It's quite challenging.
Just a pain, general pain.
But we're doing it for you guys. New game plan. Coots is gonna try and free us up from this thing that we're sandwiched on. We're gonna try and go over to this guy and cut it, and then hopefully all this pops up and just floats away, and we never see it again.
Sorry.
Don't talk while I'm talking. This is my show. Push us a little bit and hopefully we just drift back. Coots is very good at maneuvering us without an engine. Having this thing here is kind of nice because it's like, don't hit it. Yeah, you'll be safe.
There's our target right there, that dead gray tree. Chop that thing up, hopefully the rest of it, kick everything out.
Let's see what we got going on here.
Oh, not Cajun Mark.
Gonna be a good day. I don't really. Coots has got a grappling hook on that bad boy. We're gonna just try and tug him out of here. I'm gonna go slow. Talk to me, Goose.
More gas.
Talk to me, Goose.
More gas.
Stop.
I think it shifted a bit.
Okay. What was that?
It moved it.
900.
I mean, it shifted.
It's exactly the same. Can you hook that thing up on that side and then plug it from that side?
Switched over, let's give it a shot. Nothing.
I hit about 4,500, 5,000 watts-ish.
What if we tried doing it that way?
A good idea.
Hitting it from the other angle.
Locked on.
We seem to be so.
Okay.
It's opening. It's opening up. Yeah.
I can't do anything right now.
Alright.
It opened up?
It pulled forward. You could see ripples coming off the front as it was pulling. Right at the base there, it V's whatever goes under that's causing all the havoc.
Want to try tugging again from this side?
That might work.
What's that noise? Birds? That a flock of birds?
We are outside.
Sounds like the Detroit Zoo aviary. I know you're a big aviary fan.
Birds aren't real.
Here you go. Yep. Jeez, that is in there.
No dice?
No die. I mean, it's definitely shifted from when we started.
Yeah, because wasn't it closer to the vertical one?
Yes. Look, you can see where I underwater saw it is above water.
How do we open this up?
Our fallen grappling hook. We shall return for you, brother. Yeah, that baby got hooked a little bit too tight.
Damn it!
We tied it off. If you come and free that grappling hook, you're the new king of the river. That's challenge 1. After that, you gotta come see us for challenge 2. Well, we couldn't get the main one, and we lost a good friend of ours trying it, but we got the secondary thread opened up. At least one more family should be able to see some fireworks this weekend.
America.
Fireworks day! Right! We got Sean, we got my brother, we got Matt. They got the gazebo set up over there. Fireworks start at about 10 o'clock, so hopefully this rain dies down and we get a good show. Here we are, beautiful Mount Clemens. Firework night. I just had delicious food from the food truck. About ready for the show to begin. That was pretty fun.